What's up guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm going to show you how I apply tire dressing at the end of a detail. Now when you're detailing any car, it's always great to finish off the job with some nice tire dressing. And here at Masterson's, we make some premium tire dressings that just make the tire look phenomenal. They don't sling off, they don't attract dust, and they keep that original look on the vehicle. So I'm going to show you what I do to quickly dress a tire right after a detail. I'm going to first start out with our Masterson Super Cleaner and clean the tire. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply our Masterson's Tire and Trim Shine. I'll show you more about this a little bit later in the video. I'm also going to use a applicator pad, and I also got a microfiber towel. So before I apply any tire dressing, I like to clean the tire. So we're going to use some Masterson Super Cleaner to take any dirt and grime off the rubber. Now you can go ahead and put tire dressing on your rubber, but imagine if there's dirt on there, the tire dressing is not going to adhere to the surface properly. And then your tire dressing is not going to last as long, and you're not going to get that look that you're going for. So you want to make sure that it's a clean tire. Now, all tires get a lot of dirt and brake dust embedded in them. So I like to take our Masterson Super Cleaner, just spray it on the tire. And then I like to take a microfiber towel and clean the tire surface properly. I like to make sure I get in all the cracks and all the letters, because this tire was cleaned earlier today and we still get a lot of grime and grease off the tire even after a wash. So we're going to go ahead and clean the whole tire, and then we're going to apply the tire dressing direct. So that was easy, and now our tire is clean and ready to be applied with our tire dressing. We really took off all the grime and all the brake dust on here, and now the tire is like perfectly clean, and that's what we want when we apply tire dressing or protectant. That means that tire dressing and protectant is going to last significantly longer when you clean the tire properly. I like to use a super cleaner too, because there's no color, there's no scent, and it's so safe for all the rubber and plastics. It doesn't harm any surface that gets on any other areas while you detail. So we're going to take our Tire and Trim Shine, shake it up, and we're going to put just a little bit of tire dressing on the applicator pad, and then we're going to spread it on the tire. Now I like this tire dressing because it gives a nice original finish. You guys can check that out. Now that we got the tire dressing applied on the tire, we just got to let it dry for a few minutes and then take the backside of our microfiber and just give it a quick wipe. And now we got a nice deep black tire, and it's dry to the touch, which is super cool. This product gives a nice original black finish. So if you like having your tires to have a nice warm shine, but an original OEM finish that's dry to the touch, this is going to be the best tire dressing you can get. So check us out on our website, mastersonswax.com, or you can also pick up our super cleaner and the applicator pads to get the job done. Here at Masterson's, we make premium detailing supplies that just get great results. So I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care. We'll see you next time, and always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.